Hi, Frank here with ButterflyMX's partner team. Thanks for taking the time to complete the ButterflyMX Dealer certification. This certification is designed to set you up for success, whether you're installing our products, selling them, or both. It's broken down into several short video modules, each focused on the areas that matter most when working with ButterflyMX. After each module, you'll take a short quiz to reinforce what you've learned before moving on, so it's important to pay close attention to the videos. We'll start the course by walking through how to install our access control and security products, including wiring, networking, and key hardware requirements. Over the years, we've seen that when our partners understand how the products are installed and work in the field, they can speak more confidently with clients, build more accurate installation quotes, and avoid surprises during installation. You'll also be better equipped to set expectations around timelines, labor, and pricing, which goes a long way towards building trust and winning business. Next, I'll cover the features and benefits of our products so you can clearly communicate their value to prospects and customers, whether you're working on a small retrofit or a large-scale new development. Then, I'll walk you through the partner portal, your one-stop shop for registering leads, downloading marketing materials, and receiving support from our partner team. We've built this course to be quick, practical, and easy to follow. And if you ever want to dig deeper into a topic, visit butterflymx.com/resources for more detailed guides and support materials. Ultimately, the more you know about our products and processes, the more successful you'll be, whether it's on the job site, in front of customers, or in growing your business. So before you begin the first module, let's kick things off with a quick video from one of our partners, Flylock, formerly known as the Flying Locksmiths, on why they've chosen to partner with ButterflyMX.